Ever dreamt of ditching the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine earning cash while lounging in your pajamas. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a dream. Today we're revealing 5 proven ways to earn money online in 2024. These methods could transform your financial future. Stay tuned till the end because you don't want to miss out on the secrets we've got for you. First up, let's talk freelancing. This is one of the most flexible ways to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide. From writing to programming, freelancing offers endless opportunities. Build a stellar profile and land high-paying gigs. Next, dive into affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products you believe in. Networks like Amazon Associates and ClickBank help you find products that match your niche. Create compelling content that drives sales. Have expertise in a particular field. Create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing turn your knowledge into passive income. Develop valuable content and market it to reach a wide audience. Ever heard of dropshipping? Run an online store without holding inventory. Partner with suppliers through platforms like Shopify. Let them handle stock and shipping. Finally, let's talk about content creation. Create videos on YouTube, stream on Twitch, start a blog. Monetize your content through ads and sponsorships.